Welcome to this tutorial on creation of data flow to lift and shift data. In our previous tutorial on creation of data flow to design a simple data pipeline, we saw how to create a pipeline manually. In this video, let's see how to generate a data flow by using the data movement wizard. Navigate to data flow window and click on new DM wizard for creating a data flow using data movement wizard. Select the processing platform Snowflake. Select the data point and click on Create. Click on Next after providing a name to the data flow. We can either create new source data point or select an existing data point. Let's choose Select Data Point and click on MySQL from the list and add to the data flow. Click on Next. Let's click on Select Source to select data objects. Here, let's choose the 4 tables from the list of data objects from the selected MySQL data point and add them to the data flow. Click on Next. Click on Select Data Point in order to choose the target Snowflake data point and proceed to click on Next. We can either generate, select or import targets from Snowflake. In this demo, let's generate targets. We can edit the name of target objects as required. Click on Next. Click on Save. And corresponding data flows are now created, which enables easy lift and shift of data. These data flows can further be orchestrated in a job flow and configured to run on a schedule as required. This concludes our short tutorial on creation of data flows to lift and shift data. Thanks for watching.